Hello everyone, welcomes my channel Ajay Digital World. Here I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online and the money making app also. I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. If you interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying the video and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. Today I suggest playing games and win cash app and website. For more information, watch whole the video till the end. That very great for you. Grab the opportunities, subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, link in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel so I make more videos for you, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. I also create a playlist of 10 earning sites and online money making survey site for you to check out the I button. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What is Point Prizes? Procure focuses on finishing paid studies, free offers, or imparting us to your companions. Procure enough focuses and you can guarantee unconditional present cards or cash. Points Prizes introduces 48-hour prize delivery. In the course of recent years, Points Prizes has continuously developed to turn into a market chief in the prizes site world. In any case, in light of client criticism, we have discovered that clients are searching for quicker installments. If you want to join and start your online making money career, check out the description box. How would you get free focuses on Points Prizes? Here are several different ways to acquire focuses for nothing. 1. Claiming coupons. Claiming coupons can get you from 0 to 500 focuses in a matter of seconds. 2. Free giveaways. Points Prizes parts with free codes worth 10 to 100 focuses each hour on their Discord channel. 3. Referral Points. How would you get focuses on Points Prizes quickly? Tips on the best way to acquire focus rapidly. 1. Download the Points Prizes application in the wake of joining here. 2. Completing overviews are really the best way points can be procured on Points Prizes. 3. Some nations have offers, for example, item preliminaries. These offers can give somewhere in the range of 200 to 500 focuses. Procure points. Guaranteed prizes. What our identity is. We are a little group that centers around helping our clients procure free prizes, as a trade-off for focuses. We have been fabricating dependable connections and conveying genuine prizes to our clients since 2016. What do? We fabricate devices that help our clients expand their business incentive to publicists. We accept everybody ought to have the option to acquire free prizes on the web, paying little heed to which nation they live in. Why we do it? There are a huge number of trick destinations that beguile clients, with the guarantee of unconditional present cards and different prizes. We need to dispense with this destructive practice, by giving protected and simple approaches to acquire prizes on the web. I hope you all are enjoying the videos and start from today. If you get more videos, please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon, share the video and add comment. Good luck.